What's up YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Well, today I'll be unboxing and kind of set up my new TV. It's a TCL Roku TV 4K UHD 65 inch. This model is let's see, I believe is right there 65S455. It's a model come out in June 2022 of this year, so about 5 months ago, I think. Right now it's October. Yeah, I got this very good price from Best Buy. The retail I think about $600, $600, but I got it for $375 out the door. Okay, so look for the deal. I believe the Black Friday coming next month probably have a better deal. Maybe 300, who knows. So this one is gonna be replacing my current one over there. It's that one is 5 years old. Since 2017 is what's that 55 inch S405. So it's been 5 years. That's one the last video that I did unboxing review on that one. Yeah, it's still working great. Everything worked perfectly fine. Yep, but I'm gonna get a newer one, big one, 65 inch. So let's see how it's going. So this year, this is this year model 2022. Okay, all right, without further delay, I'm gonna unbox and everything and show you guys how to set up everything. It's a 4K UHD. Okay, alrighty. Alright guys, so this is the unbox. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Okay, it's a sticker thing. It's taped all over. Okay, come see here. Yep. Okay, that's how thin it is. TV. Let me see. Yep, you can see it's very thin. Yep, and about 30 pounds weight. And if you do see the connector over here, you got the USB right there. Okay, 3 HDMI to put in, and got cable antenna from your cable. And then we have let me see, it's a eARC enhanced audio return channel. Yep, that one to hook to your monitor. Okay, to hook to your the receiver to put in there to plug in for the home theater. Okay, that's the input. Yep, yeah, so far so good. All right guys, so that one is for the receiver. Okay, and then that one is for the maybe other input you want to use too. Yep. Okay, all right, I'm gonna hook it up, and power cords right here, right there. Okay, so you can hook it up in there. Okay, all right. Yep, and on the back right here, model 65S455 right there. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hook it up and go to replace that one sitting up there. Okay. Alright guys, so that's setup complete. It's pretty much straight basics. You got the HDMI, 3 of them, and then enhanced audio return channel eARCs are on the back. Also antenna for live TV. So let's switch the menu. Okay, pretty much easy, simple. Like normal Roku. You can go to live TV right here.
Touch screens. The refund period will now last until November 6th. of next year.
That's a live antenna TV in case you got local they can use.
On news alert now, the president's plan to cancel
Very
billions
simple.
of dollars in student loan debt is off to a rough
You know, it's
start.
just the live TV antenna.
Florida. Coming in second is a notorious soul collector, the
Yep.
Candyman. Don't say his name 3 times in the mirror.
And you go back to the home menu. You can see that. Okay, you got HDMI. You can Apple name this as your Apple TV. You can AirPlay cast from your Apple TV, or you want to hook to the Chromecast with the receiver right there. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Yeah, actually, and go in here. Yep. So not much gonna be. I'm gonna play the. So you can see you got the Dolby Atmos here. All the speaker up. It's 5.2.2. Yep. And if you look at the information,
Your freak girlfriend's got some
See that?
serious malfunction. I'm really sorry.
you got 4K. That's more important. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Alright,
Pretty
I'll see you
easy,
tonight.
simple.
And
Yep.
she's not my girlfriend.
That's a leader. The movie.
Whatever.
2021, I think. 2022. Okay. All right. Yeah. So you show all the
got some
Dolby
talent
Atmos
for this
come out,
game.
everything. Okay.
I've got to get home now. You don't want to stay in the house before dark.
Okay.
Do you want to ride?
Let's move a little bit. Fast forward. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
This is my secret place.
Pretty much
Nice to
pretty
meet
cool.
you.
4K. Everything worked. Okay.
Really cool.
No. Look.
Let's
Gassy.
see. Change to. Okay, let's see the receiver here. Let's adjust to. Chromecast. Okay. Yeah, guys, so pretty much easy, and go to the menu and everything. Okay, you have all the channel here, Roku TV, like you already have a copy, pretty much easy. Yep, very easy to set up. The TV weight about what, 30 pounds, 31 pounds, so pretty easy to lift up and down. You can set against the wall, whatever, even. But this is my Atmos system. 2 front channel height speaker and 5.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.2. 2 up right there. Yep. And part 2 high speaker. Yeah. So is it better than a 55-inch system that I used to have? Oh yes. It's been 5 years, almost what? It's 2017. Yeah, it's 5 years old. So it's time to upgrade. It's pretty much great. If 65-inch, very good. You know, the bigger the better. We can say, but I got it for $375 out the door, so can't complain about that. It's a very good deal. I know Black Friday coming next month, you probably get a better price. Maybe it's $50 lower, maybe something like that. So it's a great TV and very durable. You know, it's not a quad QLED. QLED is a higher, more expensive. You know, but 65-inch, very, very good. You get all the channel right there. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much about it. Wrap up. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna take a look at. YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Conoce los nuevos Google Pixel 7 y Pixel 7 Pro con
Yeah.
cámaras impresionantes.
Color's
Con Manicure
beautiful.
Eraser,
Yeah,
borra
look at
cosas de
that.
tus fotos.
Come out,
¿Ves?
very nice.
Magia. Y con Super Red Zoom consigue primeros
Okay,
planos de alta
guys.
calidad desde lejos. Cambia y llévate el totalmente nuevo Google Pixel 7 hoy mismo.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna wrap up the this video for the TCL. Is the 65H455. It's 2022 model. Come out in June, and I just got it today and unwrap and hook it up. Everything so far so good. Yeah, we got like a normal good network and everything. Check, update, and all kind of setting like that. All right, guys. So any question, concern, just leave me drop me a comment below. It's a great TV. It's not Samsung, but it's very, very good. This is one is very durable. I have what 6 years, 5 years, 6 years since the first TCL. I have 1080p and then 4K 55-inch, and now 65-inch 4K HD TV. All right, it's never have a problem at all during the time I have TCL. It's an awesome TV. Highly recommend it, and it's pretty much reasonable price. TCL they say it's better than Hisense. Okay, so for the price, it's awesome, and you can hook up to your home theater system like that one. Denon X1700H, awesome machine, man. It's cranking. Oh, the sound, unbelievable. The Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Oh yes. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and you can comment concern. I'm gonna try to answer as best I can. Until the next video, okay? Thank you for watching, and have a lovely, wonderful day, and please take care. Until next video, bye bye.